Universal health coverage is a policy of the federal government of Nigeria keying into global aspirations for people everywhere globally, but particularly in Nigeria, to be able to have access to basic healthcare services in a way that makes it universally acceptable, universally accessible without causing catastrophic financial consequences. So we're talking about the full spectrum of these services. We're talking about preventive services. We're talking about promotive services. We're talking about treatment. We're talking about rehabilitative services of such a quality that everybody in Nigeria will be able to access them. So Nigeria eradicating polio and being certified polio-free in the next 6 months is really a significant achievement, not only for Nigerians but for the whole of Africa. We are in a situation where, because of some of the innovations in Nigeria, we've been able to share frontline technology, frontline innovative technology with other African countries that is improving surveillance for acute flaccid paralysis. Like, we developed an application in Nigeria, which is known as AVADA, which is now being used in 9 other African countries to help with improving acute flaccid paralysis surveillance. We're optimistic that once the African Regional Office of the World Health Organization does its work in Nigeria, looks at all the documents, then finally, not only Nigeria will be certified as polio-free, but the whole of the African continent. And that is a huge achievement for all Africans as a whole. So we're all excited. So this potential for Nigeria to be white polio-free is a celebration not only for Nigerians but for the whole of the African continent. And I know that there's excitement among other African countries that here we are even exiting from endemicity of white polio virus before Pakistan and Afghanistan. Usually they will think that Africa will be the last, because Africa was the last place where smallpox was eradicated. But I think it's very, very, very probable that Africa will exit before Pakistan and Afghanistan. So it's exciting for all Africans.